Hi ladybugs, I'm back to show you the finished sunflower journal using the Stamperia papers, and it's also got ladybugs on it. You can see I've added a ladybug, oops, hang on my charm. I haven't been live lately, but I will be going live a lot, so do look out for my live videos, ladybugs. So we have the spine here. I'll probably talk all the way through. But it'll be quick, don't worry, because I just want to explain a few things. These ribbons are glued down with hot glue, okay, and you'll see, I'll show you the interior. And this is a little flower with, what are these dogs called? Sausage dogs on them, and a prima flower. Okay, and then I've just added the beads, just some beads here, and these little ones there. So I think I made this, I have got a lot of videos of making this on TikTok, so I'll put my link below and you can always go and have a look. There is a lot of vintage on here. This is a Wordsworth poem from a vintage Wordsworth book. It's just too beautiful. I'm having great difficulty tearing the papers out and parting with it. You can see the vintage on here. I don't know the date. I want to show you the book. Sorry, I should have had it ready, because it's just such a gorgeous, and I can't find that book. Oh well, okay, never mind. And I just added this little bow on it. I didn't want to do too much. You know, when stuff is genuine vintage like this, I don't like to do a lot. This is a Ladybird book page. Oh, where did you come from? I must find a home for you. Okay, so let's put that in there. Then we open like so. This is made using 8x8. We have a sticker card. Well, it's not a sticker, it's a journal card with stickers on it. Then we have, let me just bring this a tad closer. There we go. I made this online. This is a really nice little pocket, and it's got a card in there with lots of stickies. Then we have the acetate. I bought the chipboard from Stamperia, and I use quite a bit of it in here. These are just journal cards. I won't take everything out, but I just wanted to show you the page because it's just so lovely. So this opens and we have a journal, so you can, decorate this part yourself. There are a couple of pockets. This is embossed. You've got a double pocket here. This is also very fragile, this piece, so maybe only use this pocket, because there is another pocket in front. This actually belongs in here. Okay, but it is very fragile because it's from the 40s. Actually, it's earlier that, from the 30s. Just paper. There's that same vintage music paper. We have Edith Holden. And just plain papers. Okay, little pocket here with a Stamperia sunflower card and a tuck spot there. This envelope comes out. Again, I did make this on TikTok. I couldn't go live again on Facebook with this because, my life has been hectic. So this opens with a string. We have a few goodies in here. Sunflower, this you can use to decorate. Got a little butterfly there, and then we have the back. This paper does have a very faint scent to it. It's just gorgeous. And a tag using a lot of the chipboard there. Okay, now these all come out. All you have to do is undo the bow and it'll come out, and then you can just do the bow again, which is why I stuck it onto the spine, the ribbon, so that you wouldn't have to fuss around with it. So then we have here embossed Lots of lace and more of the chipboard. This is just a little tag, or you can use it to decorate. Can you see? It's really gorgeous paper. This is a cutout from a bread holder thing. And there's chipboard piece there. Stickers. I love this page. So you've got top and bottom to tuck things in. Again, you can use this. To decorate. How these pages are all done like here, or put it there, and you can put something inside. Just ideas, you know. And again, this can be used for another little tuck spot, and you can use this to put whatever you want in there. More stickers. Puff, what are these called? Puff alphabet. This goes there. Okay, I'm going to slow down a bit because I'm rushing. And this actually goes in here. I've just done another video on this, so some of the stuff is still not in. So it goes like that. You open it out. You can put more in here, or you can write here. You can also write on here. This is just a little paper bag with a card in it. And so this just wraps around right here. Pocket with I cut this out of Daphne's diary. It's really, really cute. I just thought it would go well here. Again, a journaling card, or you can tear it up, cut it up to use elsewhere. This is normally a bow. You can put photographs in here, all right. And then we have a little envelope. It's quite tight, but you can still squeeze something inside there. So this bow goes like so. I don't normally talk through my videos because I know it can be, you know, you just want to get through them. You don't need an explanation for every little thing. One of my favorite birds, also a vintage bird book, piano paper. And then look at this car, love it, another ladybird page. And this was also vintage, Toasts and Maxims. You must read it, they're quite funny. Whoever purchases this, you know, anyway. Then we had lots of writing space. I left this pocket open just in case you want this recipe. Again, it's from a sort of vintage book. I'm not sure how old it is, but anyway. So we'll just quickly go through. Here's some more piano paper pocket. Just a little bit of collaging piano paper. And this is a vintage postcard. I have a few of these. Again, another thing I'm finding it difficult to let go of because they're so pretty. Look at that. This is dated 1969. So it is vintage. And you can still write little notes and whatever you want on here. This is the rolled pet tape, you know, stickers. And I just added it on because I thought it looked just pretty on the edge of the page, and it actually makes it quite firm. Open envelope, so you can see that if you want and put things inside, or you can write in there with stickers on it. And yeah, I love this. So remember, you can just take it out to take out the journal and write in it. More writing space. Oh, my phone is going mad. Sorry about that, guys. Ugh. And this, I do like this page. Opens out like that, so you can write all over. I've used stickers and washi tape on it. And then you close up shop again, take the whole lot. Oops. And put it that way. This is one of those clips that's supposed to go like that, but I never use mine like that. I just keep them up. It's too much of an effort to wind it down, but you can. This is also, yes, another open envelope. I thought it went well with this kit. Again, you can seal it if you want, and I've just added some stickers and a journaling card there. So that goes in there. Or you can put it wherever you want. Lots of ruffles. This is sari silk, beautiful turquoise color. And don't need to show you every single page. But these stickers, these are rub-ons. Again, I thought they went well Just a bit of collage there. Very simple. Then we have more sticker. You know the rolls you get. These rolls, I'll show you quickly so that you know what I'm talking about. Those. I just wrapped it around the edge. Here's another tuck spot. Oh, this is also vintage from Portugal. These little things. And there's some ephemera in here. Just some chipboard that I bought with the collection. So these I think are 20s and 30s, 1920s, if not earlier. I'm not sure, but they are. And the photographs, they have photographs in them, but I couldn't find them. Typical me. But the photos wouldn't have gone with this journal anyway, so. But this is vintage. Stickers. You know I love my stickers. This is cute now, ladybugs. This is an old earring. And I thought it would make a very nice paperclip type thing. Here's a little mushroom. Some pages you can write on as well. And these are both vintage. One of these, a little book of Here's to Love Divine. These are like little poems. And so you just clip that, and there's plenty of room to write or play around there, decorate. Uh-oh. Stick it in again. So, yeah, I'll get it right. There we go. And then we have this chipboard piece that goes in there. A little bit of rub-ons, fantastic. This is gorgeous lace from a lace curtain. I've also added some of my own kits in here. And this had a card in, but it's disappeared. So this is also a pocket. Just be gentle with the pansy. I'm a bit worried that's going to break off. Yeah, anyway, okay. Now here, a little bit of a trifold. So we have these little acetate pockets. I'm not going to take this all out. I've just decorated it. It's a very, very cute, this opens out, this little booklet, so you can put little photos in there or write in it. In this, okay, let me open it this way. Tuck spot. This kind of opens out like that. And then we have a tuck spot there. We have a little pocket in here with various tags that you can, use somewhere else. So get in there, and then of course this opens. You can't see that there. Oh, my phone is going mad. Okay, so we have a tuck spot here, and we have a tuck spot in here. So that just opens there, and again you can undo the ribbon and take this out. Then we have a photo pocket here, or you can put whatever you want in there. Open like so. Again, another place for a little photograph. Oh gosh, and there's this page here, which you can also add photos, because of course this is scrapbook paper. And just some ephemera. Little ruffle on there. This is a pocket made from a vintage book, bird book. We have another tag, and we have this cute place for you to write on as well. So you can write on both sides. So this is like a double pocket, okay? So this goes right at the back, and this goes in the pocket. And this goes somewhere. I will find a place for this. Where can I put you? I'll look for it later, so as not to. This is also another little glass bead. These are plastic. So yeah, so it's a very pretty, vibrant journal. I love it. I really love it. And this fabric, I'm not sure where I bought it. I think it was Portugal. I can't remember. My memory, like a sieve. And this just goes in here, the envelope. Again, you can use this, as I already said, throughout the journal. So this just goes nice and loose in there. Okay, and there you have a very cute journal. If you want the measurements, it is yeah, 8. I'm loving this size, by the way, by just over 4.5. It's almost like a traveler's journal size. Oh my goodness. And that is the top. So I hope you like that flip flu my words today. Yeah, and I will see you again very soon. I am making, guys, I'll make another video. No, there's another video for that one. Okay. Thank you very much, and a very, very big welcome to all my new followers. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Bye bye.